Union Square's heavyweight drawing pads feature a 120-pound drawing paper that has been scientifically designed to accept just about any type of media you want to use. It's a really unique product in that how it's bound together, and I'll get to that. I'll show you. But like any Union Square pad, they all feature a very sturdy backing board, meaning that you can kind of support. They support themselves if you don't have a table or if you want to work at an angle. Also, the covers are left mostly blank for your customization to whatever you want to do to design that. And I'll show you in here, the heavyweight drawing pads are specially designed to lay flat. And I'll show you a little spread here that we did, a 2-page spread, giving you that kind of like landscape look within a portrait-sized drawing pad. The paper's so thick, like I said, you can use anything from markers, colored pencils, watercolors, and it will accept it just fine. And let me go ahead and demo that for you. So right here with this drawing, I can go ahead and, let's see, grab some red, and just start laying in color. Now these are alcohol-based markers I'm using, and I'm not going to go light-handed with them. And what you'll see is it does not transfer to the page beneath it, which is great. So it will, if you're doing a 2-page spread, you want to make sure that you haven't done anything in marker on the other side of that page, but it will not transfer to the other page, which is nice. You still have that page available to you. So that's a really great thing. The other thing when it comes to this paper is that it has a very nice tooth to it. So if you were doing colored pencil techniques, you can pick up some of that texture. And this is, the same for charcoal or Conte crayon. I find that these pads are just very well balanced. This is going to be a slightly more toothy paper than the smooth drawing paper, obviously, but still, for the tooth, it doesn't affect the pencil, where it still glides pretty nicely across the page. Finally, gonna grab some watercolor here. You can see it doesn't bloom out. It acts fairly similarly to a watercolor paper, but it is a drawing paper that's been sized for multimedia use. And in that, it is good for all different types of multimedia. So if you wanted to do artist journaling, if you wanted to do wet media, dry media, combinations of both, a great tool because it allows you to use all the medias that you have, and it's packaged so well, so nicely, and I love that it lays flat. I just think that's such a nice feature. So Union Square's heavyweight drawing pads, give them a try.